This video is specifically for my Igbo brothers that wants to enter Igbo forest to go and chase bandits away and rescue kidnapped victims, all in the name of Ratel's movements. I want to remind you people that our brother Nnamdi Kanu is still in Sokoto prison as we speak. That should be more of your problem. When Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced to life imprisonment, we saw their comments. They made mockery of him. They laughed at him. He said, "Omotosho, show me the law." They told him to go and learn the law in Sokoto prison. Fortunately, he's learning the law in Sokoto prison and they are learning the law outside Sokoto prison. They said the Igbos are weak. The Igbos are supposed to protest. I cannot cry more than the bereaved. Why are the Igbos not doing anything? It suddenly becomes an Igbo man problem. It is the problem of the Igbos. During the time of Ihamufu, where was the Ratel's movement? Thank God for our governor Peter Mba that is now helping issues. What happened in Ihamufu was bloody. It was deadly. During the time of Ihamufu, I asked again, where was the Ratel's movement? As an Igbo man, you have to be thinking, you have to have sense. People were pied. School children were pied, massacred in their classrooms. My friend is a survivor, so I have a first-hand information on what happened there. Pregnant women, they dissect their tummy, bring out the babies in their tummy and buy them in front of the woman. The woman will struggle until she buys. Where was the Ratel's movement when all these things were happening? Where was the Ratel's movement? They are now calling you to go and rescue kidnapped victims in Uyo, and you are ready to go. During the time of Uzo 1, where was the Ratel's movement? Where was the Ratel's movement? We didn't see them. It happened in Ihamufu until their youths came out. They did Odeshi. They used Juju to fight Fulani. They did Odeshi. They carry AK-47, enter forest, enter bush to go and fight Fulani. Don't be whining. If it isn't a lie, go and ask. In other states, Fulani entered, they kidnapped people and started asking for 20 million naira ransom. Their youth said no, it cannot happen. They organized themselves, carried AK-47, enter bush and go and rescue their sisters that were kidnapped. It was not Bunamito. It was not Bunamito. You people should go and ask questions. Check histories. It was not Bunamito. Not be to come on social media to insult Igbo people. Not be to come on social media to make trolls, mock Igbo people and laugh at them. It don't set. What set to go? It don't set now. What set to go now? What are you people doing? They are organizing Ratel's movement so that all the Nigerians should come together. KJ Uyo forest is going to rescue kidnapped victims and chase bandits away. What the Nigerian army cannot do, and you think you are capable to do it. I am talking to my Igbo brothers. You think you can do it. When it happens to the Igbos, it becomes the problem of the Igbos. When it happens outside the Igbo tribe, it becomes the problem of Nigerians. Igbo people should be wise and not unwise. Use your brains. That is why we are called Igbos. Think. Think like an Igbo person. They are trying to remove your mind from your real problems. By the time you go to Uyo to rescue chase bandits away, the bandits in your own community have come to kidnap your parents, your siblings. And you know the funny thing? Uyo people is not coming down to the east to help you and search for them. If you chase the bandits in Uyo, who will chase the bandits in your own community? Who will chase the bandits in the forest in your own communities? Bandits are everywhere. You don't get where they know they. Chase the one where they your house first. Chase the one where they your forest. Chase the one where they your community before you enter moto go Uyo to go and chase bandits away.